What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do another video on Animal Company. I was gonna review the new update, and my camera mod audio was finally working for some reason. So today's video is gonna be I'm gonna be like reviewing the new Animal Company update, the
Easter
Easter update.
update.
So start with this. So the bunny drip. There's this bunny drip pack. It's $14 in my country. And Hoppin' hoodie pack. There's the cocoa shell set, gold shell set, painted shell set, and the spring shell set. And over here is the new a bunny bundle. And it's gonna go in 24 days. There, it's $41. They added the new, like, not the new one, but the old bundle over here. So I think there's gonna be like 2 bundles at a time, every single thing. I think we can go to the new map. It's called the maze. Let's go. Alright, we're finally here. They added the box, so this is not rare anymore. They added this gun over here, the printer. And this is the path. Let's go. Alright guys, we're finally here. There's the Easter chicken. Just get a closer look. Alright, so I don't know how, oh yeah, I have a shotgun, I forgot. Let's kill it. Oh my god, I was gonna die. Alright, let's get the egg. Actually, I forgot I have the zipline gun. Alright guys, so I died, so yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. They removed the lava. I don't know if there's like more new items here. There's no new items for Easter update. And yeah, I think that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye.